Hello, my name is Kevin Kevans, and in this video I'm gonna teach you how to create the effect you just saw. But before then, please do well to click the like and the subscribe button. Now let's get right into this. Right, so now you add the black sample color to your timeline. Thereafter, you add a new text layer to your timeline. Now, after adding that, you double click the text layer to open the text properties. Now you change the title to whatsoever title you want it to be. And when you're done, you change the color of that text to green. Good. So now, thereafter, you head over to the animation tab and change the animation to zoom in 1. Good. Now when you're done, I scale this to 200, so it will look kind of nice and cool, or you might scale it to whatever preference you want to. So now we're gonna trim this to like 1 second and 20 milliseconds. So yeah, we don't want it that long, so you delete that other part and you're done. Now you play this and boom, it's look kind of nice, but we're not done yet. Now you head over to the transition tab. Now you find the warp transition, and then you you add the warp zoom 1 transition to the text. So now you trim that off towards the ending to wherever suits you. Yeah, I think I'm okay with this. You play this, good. This actually looks cool. Thereafter you export, and when you're done, you delete the whole project, and then you import the media you want to work with, like the media you want to create the effect with. So now here I'm going to use the default sample videos I came in with Wondershare Filmora. So I added 2 clips to the timeline. Now you import the video, the text, the title you created. So now I saved mine as kite, so I'm importing it in. Now when you're done, you drag down to the timeline and you double click that. Now you scroll over the video properties. You're gonna see the chroma key. You check that in. When you check that in, click on the eyedropper tool, then select the green color on the text. Good. Now you add the offset a little bit, so the text the video behind will be kind of visible. I think yeah, this okay. So now when you play that, you have a nice transition, but now we have a black stuff at the end. Now you take your playhead to where the black stuff begins, and then you cut that off. Good. Yeah, mine is there actually. Now you delete that part, and when you play it, boom, you are done with this effect. So thank you very much for joining me. I hope you learned a lot. If you achieved something from this video, please do well to click the subscribe button if you haven't. And if you have any questions or you want me to do a video tutorial, you can please drop that in the comment section below, and we will get it right done for you. Peace out.